In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. We'll walk through each step to ensure that the connection between these two platforms is seamless. This integration can help streamline your workflow, allowing you to stay productive and organized. So let's dive right in. To start, head over to the app section within your Slack workspace. This is your gateway to adding new functionalities to your workspace. Once you're in the app section, you'll want to search for Notion in the search bar. This will help you quickly find the application among the multitude of apps available on Slack. Just type in Notion and hit enter. After you've located Notion in the search results, click on it to open the app page. This is where you'll find more detailed information about what this integration offers and how it can benefit your team. On this page, look for and click the Add to Slack button. This is a crucial step as it will initiate the process of connecting your Notion accounts to your Slack workspace. Next up, you'll need to authorize the Notion app to access your Slack account by clicking on Allow when prompted. This authorization is essential as it ensures that Notion can communicate with Slack, sharing the necessary information and updates. Once you've allowed access for Notion to integrate with Slack, you will likely be redirected to Notion's website. Here, you'll need to grant permission for Slack to access your Notion workspace. Look for the Allow Access button and click it. This step ensures that your two accounts are synchronized, facilitating smooth information flow between Notion and Slack. Once you've successfully granted access in both directions, take a moment to verify that everything is set up correctly. Navigate back to your Slack workspace and ensure that all the permissions are as expected and that the integration reflects in your app list. In the final few steps, head back into your app section in Slack. Locate Notion once again by either searching for it or finding it in your list of connected apps. Click on Notion and then click on Connect New Workspace if you have multiple workspaces you wish to synchronize. This is particularly useful if you're managing various projects or teams and need them all streamlined into a single workflow. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Slack. Enjoy the newfound productivity and streamlined communication. Feel free to explore additional features and settings within Notion and Slack to customize this integration to suit your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today and happy integrating.